Yeah, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how you can register an account on Bitget exchange. So first of all, you go to Play Store and you search for Bitget. So this is the wallet, this is the app. You click on install. First of all, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to join our discussion Telegram group. My Telegram community is where I share lots of educative content for you to follow through even without having to watch my videos, right? Yeah, so that is it. So do well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that the YouTube algorithm will push this video forward to other people to learn and benefit from too. Downloading, the next thing you need to do is to open up the app and register your account. So you can see the interface of the app. Okay, so this is how it looks like, almost same interface with the Binance app, right? Yeah, so that is it. What you need to do now is to click on home, come to home, then click on this icon here, then sign in, or rather sign up your account if you are not yet registered. So you click on register now, put in your email address. Select, normally when you are creating your account, it will be on this default setting. Change it to Google verification. Then I'm logging in instead of registering. So you choose this Google verification, right? Then you click on next to bring out this recaptcha, and you verify your bot. Sometimes it might take time if your network is not so strong. Okay, you tick okay, then a verification code has already been sent to my mail, so I'm going to go straight into my mail inbox to copy that. So that is it. Okay, so this is it here. You put in this code here and you put your password. Put in your password. Then this referral code, you put in my referral code, but then if you signed up with the link in the comment section, no need for that. So you get the point. So click on it, sign up on the site. After signing up on the site, go to Play Store, download it, and just log into your app. It's faster that way. So you click on sign up and your account will be automatically signed up. You can save to your Google if you want to save to your Google. So that is it. Dismiss. So you can enable this if you want to, but I'm not going to enable it now. I'll leave it to later. So you can see we are done. This is my account. This is my Bitget account. So let's say that you want to withdraw and deposit. You can play through the account. This is it, almost the same interface with Binance. If you want to, let's say you want to withdraw and deposit, all you just need to do is to click on assets, then you click on deposit. Choose the assets that you want to deposit. Choose the assets you want to deposit here. So in this case, I'm going to choose USDT. So you choose your network. It can be Binance matching. You choose the one you want, then you copy this your address, go to whichever site you want. I believe you already know how to deposit and withdraw by now. Go to whichever site you want to use for withdrawal and deposit, and send in your USDT to this place. And if you want to also withdraw, you can click on this place and put in the chain name, which is the network of the address you are sending to. Then you put in the withdrawal address, the address you are sending to. Maybe you are selling to somebody or you want to send to a different exchange. So you can see the minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT as against the Binance 10 USDT. So that is it. Depending on the network you are using, that is what will determine the charge that you are going to be charged, the amount you are going to be charged for this withdrawal and deposit. So that is it, guys. I hope you learned something. So go ahead, click on the registration link via the comment section to create a Bitget account. I'm still going to do a video tutorial teaching you how you can do copy trading with this Bitget exchange. So I hope you learned something from this video. See you on my next video. Bye. So bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so others can watch just like you are already learning from it. Bye bye.